This is Tuesday's dictation, September the 15th. Check out the picture and make sure you have the word dictation as your title and September the 15th. So it's 15/9/2020. First sentence, I have a mother and a father. Remember, these are revision sentences. I have a mother and a father. Take the first two words, I have. A mother and a father. So there are 7 words altogether. Make sure you have 7 words with a finger space in between each word. I have a mother and a father. Second sentence, there is a key to open the door. There is a key to open the door. So the first 2 words are there is. A key to open the door. So altogether, there is a key to open the door. So let's go back to the first sentence for you to check. I have a mother and a father. Second sentence, there is a key to open the door. Now remember, most words have vowels in them. So check your word. If it needs a vowel, you will have to work out where to put it in. Capital letters and full stops, and we're done.